Gaya ng aming nabanggit, ilang top teams sa NCAA ang nalagasan bago magsimula ang season 93 kaya tila nagka-opening para makuha ng ilang lower-ranked teams ang pinag-aagawang Final Four spots ngayong season. Ito na kaya ang year na lalampas sa eliminations, ang Emilio Aguinaldo College Generals. Let's talk to their head coach, Coach Ariel Sison, at players niyang sina Sydney Onubre, Francis Monsayac, Jerome Garcia, at si Hamadu Laminu. Ayak Generals, welcome to The Score. Good evening. Coach, I'll start with you. Kamusta ka na? First year mo last year, was your first year with the Generals, first year din sa collegiate ranks. Kamusta yung learnings mo at learnings niyo after 6 and 12 season in your first year?
Good evening, sir. Last year kasi malaking adjustment on my part. Siyempre from high school to college, ang laki ng difference eh. So pero bago natapos yung season, medyo naramdaman ko sa sarili ko na komportable na ako sa college coaching eh. So hopefully ngayong season, na mas maganda na yung may pakita namin, na mas maraming panalo. Kung mas maganda talaga, Final Four, na makuha na namin yung Final Four.
Alright, I've heard it time and again, you're very determined. Lahat ng interviews na napanood ko at nabasa ko sa'yo, yun at dinidiin mo talaga na Final Four. No? Give us a scope of the team. Alam ko, wala na si IG, wala na si Jerome Morado. Pero kamusta yung make-up ng team ngayon? At itong familiar face, si Jerome naman Garcia from Adamson, naalala ko yan. Kamusta ang pagbubuo ng team this year?
Sir, itong team na to, mas maganda ang team ngayon para sa akin. Kasi unang-una, mas mga leader na tong player ko eh, mga matured na to.
They all matured
so plus
together,
nadagdagan pa ng Jerome Garcia na mas malaki ang may tutulong namin sa rotation. Kasi last year, ang bench namin medyo mababaw eh. So at least ngayon, may mga na-acquire kami na bago. So at least, hopefully, ito na yung inaantay talaga namin.
Alright, na yung katabi mo, si Sydney. Sid, alam ko, last year mo na to. And for any star player na last year, laging ang goal talaga is to finish strong, no? Final Four. Para sa'yo, kamusta yung emotions mo coming itong last year mo sa IAC at sa NCAA?
Yun nga, like what Coach said, we're really going for the Final Four this year. Kasi for me, Francis, and one of our teammates, Erwin, wala nang next year. So we want it now.
Dagdag pressure ba yun sa'yo personally na yun ang gusto mong iiwan sa IAC na kahit paano matungtong yung Final Four?
Oh, yun talaga. For us guys na paalis na, graduating from IAC, gusto namin na yun nga, makaiwan ng legacy. Na we bring IAC to the Final Four, na kami yung batch na unang nakapas ng Final Four.
Alright, Francis naman, parang ang bilis ng panahon. Last year mo na rin to, parang hindi pa rin tumanda yung mukha mo, babyface ka pa rin. Papasa ka pa rin juniors player, pero you've matured so much the last few years. Kamusta yung assessment mo sa game mo na happy ka na ba sa pag nakuha mo the last few years coming into this final year mo na sa tingin mo kompleto Ricardos ka na as a leader and as a point guard for your team?
Hindi naman sa complete player pa, parang may luck pa rin ako sa game ko. And laking tulong ng team namin this year kasi it helps me a lot, lalo na sa laro ko. Hindi ko na sila kailangan sobrang i-lead kasi they can be a leader na rin. Hindi na yung parang lahat kami rookie, yung mga kasama namin rookies. Kaya yun, buti nag-step up din naman ako last year. Sana this year, sa last year namin ni Sid, mag-step up kaming dalawa. And yun nga, sabi ni coach sa amin lagi na pag off kami ni Sid, mahirapan talaga yung team. Kaya kailangan talaga namin maging aggressive. Start pa lang ng game para yung kampi namin mabuhay din.
Sumabay. Okay, I'm gonna talk to Hamadu. So Hamadu, we heard you had a knee injury. Tell us how you are now and how ready are you healthy-wise to play this season?
Actually, I just back this week in the practice for our first coming tomorrow, like for the season 93.
So you're scrimmaging already?
Yeah.
Okay, so how does the knee feel? Better already?
I feel little better now.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel little better. Hopefully, before our first game, I am already in the full condition.
Alright, so next week pa naman ang first game niya, Coach. Jerome naman, coming from Adamson, after 1 year na paghihintay, anong maidadala mo sa IAC? At I hear from Coach, very excited siya na mapasama ka sa team.
Sa akin, siguro yung matutulong ko sa team is yung outside shooting ko. Kaya sabi sa akin nila, Coach, after practice, kailangan mag-extra work ako. So, kung ano lang kung ano lang sinasabi ni Coach Ariel sa akin, after practice, ginagawa ko din. Extra shooting ako.
Alright, well Coach, alam naman natin the game has changed nowadays. Lahat tumitira na ng tres. The more three-point shooting you can get, it can really help you. I know you're determined to get to the Final Four, yun ang goal ninyo. Pero ano yung sa tingin nyong kailangan nyo ma-achieve? Kung ma-breakdown ninyo, anong aspects ng game ninyo ang sa tingin nyong kailangan nyo improve this year from last year?
If we would notice, sir, yung mga previous games namin before, puro close game eh. Pero karamihan ng close game namin before, we end up losing.
Okay.
So hopefully ngayon, magkaroon kami ng mas magandang adjustment sa mga close game namin para may close namin to assure the win. So isa yun sa mga nakikita namin is to really work back on our defense.
Okay.
So almost every day in our practices, we really work hard on our defense para yung mga ganong close games, maisara na namin ang panalo.
Right. Sid, nabanggit na ni Coach yung close games, hindi madali, no? Napaka-intense, napaka-digdigan ng laban. Para sa inyo mga leaders ng veterans sa team, anong natutunan nyo na ano pang kailangan nyong iangat para mapanalo yung mga dikit na laban? Kasi pag natalo yung karamihan, sayang sa record, pero imagine mo kung make a play here, make a play there, panalo na. So anong natutunan nyo through the last few years?
Siguro yun nga, yung siguro ang sa amin lang this year, we need to improve in decision making, especially when the game is on the line. Kailangan talaga yung mga decision namin, especially as being a veteran ako si Francis. We need to like guide the young players. Pero yun naman, sila Jerome, sila Minu, sila veteran too. So yun, napapadali yung trabaho namin ni Francis, nila coach na, oh guys, this is what we need to do. This is what we execute in the end game.
Okay. Francis, alam ko sa Phil Oil 3-5 record nyo, pero it was a good ending. Natalo nyo Mapua. So the last time we all saw you on court in an official tournament game, magandang resulta para sa inyo. Nakatulong ba to sa tingin mo sa boost of confidence papasok nitong NCAA na magsisimula na?
Yeah, sobrang laking tulong lalo na sa team namin na madami kaming tinalo na malalakas na teams. Especially yung sa NCAA team na like Mapua. Nanalo kami, pero hindi ako naglaro nun.
Okay, wala ka ng game na yun. Sa lagay pa nun, wala ka pa nun. Okay.
Nanood lang ako. So, yun nga, in-observe ko yung game, parang naisip ko ang sarili ko, they don't need me na eh. Kasi talagang tinambakan na nila yung Mapua.
Okay.
So, ang kailangan ko na lang idagdag sa team is talagang yung leadership na lang. Hindi ko na kailangan. Sabi nga ni Sid lagi sa amin, we have each other some roles. Kasi hindi pwedeng siya shooter, Jerome shooter, agawan mo ng shooting. Sid rebounding, agawan mo ng rebounding. Lahat kami may sarili-sariling
well-defined.
role. Yeah, well-defined. Tsaka yun nga, kung si Sid or si Jerome nakashoot ng 3 points, feed them. Pag hindi, talk to them, drive. Yun lang yung kailangan namin kasi communication.
Right. Sounding like a very mature point guard talaga, Coach. Coach, nabanggit ko na kanina na marami nagsasabi wide open race daw ang Final Four na maliban sa San Beda kasi nga maraming ibang teams na wala ng key players. All the more, does that excite you? Does that give you hope and optimism na kaya niyo yung Final Four?
Of course, sir. Talagang ito yung season that we're looking forward na EAC will be in the Final Four. I already keep reminding these guys around me na, hey, no more chance. If we have to get it now.
Right. Yeah.
So we want it now.
You want it badly.
Because knowing the other teams, if they have problems, and we will use that as an opportunity for us to achieve the Final Four now.
Correct. Kaya kung hindi nabungian at nadagdagan pa at you all mature together. So Sid, I want to give the last chance you message nyo sa inyong fans, sa schoolmates inyo para sa upcoming season 93.
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa EAC and sa NCAA, continue po kami support and we promise to give our very best this coming season.
Alright, maraming salamat and wish you all the best. We can't wait to see you guys play your best and exciting games on the court sa season 93. Maraming salamat, AYAC Channels. Thank you.
For more sports updates, keep watching The Score and don't forget to subscribe.